Upgrade your thermostat without costly errors by testing every wire and confirming terminal letters instead of trusting wire color codes. First, remove the thermostat cover and photograph the terminal block and wiring at the old stat. Then label each wire with its terminal letter. Never assume red is always power or common because installers sometimes reused colors or repurposed conductors. Next, open the furnace or air handler to access the control board. Trace each labeled conductor to the exact screw terminal, and verify function with a multimeter set to voltage and continuity modes. If you find a wire on the wrong letter at the control board, trace back to the thermostat end and reassign the label rather than recoloring the conductor. For 5 cable systems, confirm the common conductor by checking for 24-volt reference between it and the hot lead under normal system idle. If you do not have a common, use a quality power adapter or install an indoor 5-conductor run. When installing a smart thermostat, enable compatibility mode only after confirming the thermostat manufacturer's required minimum transformer current and the furnace control board fuse rating to avoid nuisance reboots. If you encounter fan control differences, test the fan relay by jumpering the fan terminal at the control board and observing blower behavior, because some systems use the fan relay on the board while others use a separate relay or sequencer. Protect the control board and new thermostat from voltage spikes by replacing corroded terminal screws and using dielectric grease on exposed connections. Finally, always verify system operation through 1 full heat cycle and 1 full cool cycle, watching for short cycling, improper staging, or delayed compressor lockouts. One of the most common thermostat installation mistakes is relying on wire color codes, which leads to wiring errors. Fix this by labeling and testing each conductor at both ends and following terminal letters on the control board. One of the top wiring issues is misidentifying the common or 24-volt common, which breaks smart thermostat power. Fix this by measuring 24 volts between the suspected common and the R terminal at the control board before connecting. One of the frequent problems is skipping full system tests after installation, causing undetected staging or compressor protection faults. Fix this by running a full heat and cool cycle, checking line and low side pressures if you suspect compressor issues, and monitoring for appropriate cycle times and delay timers. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted HVAC professionals and local contractors, so homeowners can find trusted technicians who follow these wiring and testing best practices. Our directory helps contractors get work by connecting them with local leads, actively searching for thermostat installation, wiring, and upgrade services.